Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. The case of the missing homework conversation between teacher and student Miss Anderson and Alex. I'll play the role of Miss Anderson and you'll play the role of Alex. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Good morning, Alex. Did you bring your homework today?
Well, about that, Miss Anderson.
Let me guess. Your dog ate it?
No, not this time. It's a bit more unconventional.
Oh, really? I'm intrigued. What happened?
You see, I was all set to do my homework, but then my pet hamster, Turbo, went on a rampage.
Turbo the hamster? This should be good. Go on.
Yeah, Turbo escaped from his cage and decided my homework was the perfect place to start his new burrow.
So, your hamster is an aspiring architect now.
Apparently, by the time I found him, he had chewed through half of my math worksheet.
That's quite the story, Alex. But I'm not sure if I believe it.
I have the chewed up paper as evidence. Want to see?
I think I'll pass. What's the real reason you didn't do your homework?
All right. The truth is, I was going to deal it, but my little brother spilled juice all over it.
And you didn't think to start over. Let's practice your English. Now. Good morning, Alex. Did you bring your homework today? Let me guess. Your dog ate it? Oh, really? I'm intrigued. What happened? Turbo the hamster. This should be good. Go on. So, your hamster is an aspiring architect now? That's quite the story, Alex. But I'm not sure if I believe it.
I think I'll pass. What's the real reason you didn't do your homework?
And you didn't think to start over?
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.